This is Bill Stewart, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install an SATA hard drive in a Dell all-in-one system like this one here. This one happens to be an Inspiron 7700. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is make sure that the computer is shut down completely from Windows. And next what you're going to do is going around to the back of the system here. You're going to want to make sure that it's unplugged. And then you're going to remove the back panel. Now in the service manual, it shows you how to do that. You place your palm in the center, and then you're able to pop this this back panel off, so we can see the back of the system there. And I'm going to show you where to install the hard drive and where to get the brackets. So we set the back panel to the side. And Dell has helpfully included the brackets for the system right here within the chassis. So you just push down on these little tabs and the hard drive brackets just slide right out from these little clips. Now you are going to need some screws that are used to mount the hard drive into the brackets and then affix them to the chassis. The longer screws go in these two holes here, and the 4 shorter screws go into the hard drive brackets. So I've got the hard drive here, and it's just a standard 2.5-inch SATA hard drive like you would have for your laptop, right? So you just get the brackets and align them onto the hard drive. Just get your screwdriver, and you use the 4 shorter screws. Now, the machine doesn't actually come with the screws, but I just got a small kit of screws off of Amazon, and I will put the link to the kit I got from Amazon in the description for the video. So basically, I'm just going to screw the brackets onto the hard drive using the 4 shorter screws. And there's one. Go to the next one here. And here's the next one. All right. And the hard drive is going to slide right into the slot here, right where it says HDD, of course. And this little tab, these little tabs on the brackets are going to slide under these little holders here. So it's going to turn the drive over and mount the other bracket. It's going to look the same as that one. So we just hold that there, get the 2 shorter screws, the other 2 shorter screws, and screw them onto the screw the brackets onto the disk drive itself. Oops, let me get that back on there. Just get it lined up there. Get my screwdriver and screw that into place onto the side of the hard drive itself. The other screw here. Okay, just make sure those are fairly tight. Don't over tighten them, just so that the brackets are securely attached to the sides of the hard drive. Okay, now you get your SATA connector on the top of the drive here, and place it in place here on the chassis here, and just give it a little push to slide it right in. Connect it, and it says right there we're lined up. And then we just use the 2 longer screws to screw those directly on like this. And once we're done with that, you can boot up the machine, and you will see if you go into the BIOS, you will see the new hard drive. So And now that we're done with that, I'm going to plug the power back in temporarily. Okay, now we're done with that. We can use the rotate the computer around a little bit. Let me grab the keyboard because we'll need that. Okay. I'm going to power this guy on. Using the power button right here. And we should see good power. And I'm going to hammer the F12 key. Right? Prepare to enter setup. And look at the BIOS setup. Just arrow down a couple of times and hit enter. And we should be able to go under system configuration and look at the drives. And you can see there, I actually installed under SATA 0, it's a terabyte drive. So you can see that it is successfully installed. So I hope that this video is useful in helping you to install a another hard drive into the Dell all-in-one system.